I'm often asked by employers, why should I invest in my team members having a personal brand? I want them to understand the company brand. And that's a really common question. See, when I was in corporate branding and marketing and PR for 20 years, I didn't necessarily understand that by leading and mentoring and teaching reputation management skills to our frontline teams, we were actually building the brand of the company. But what we know now is that each person who works with you, who sits at the table, who posts on social media, who goes into the community, who takes leadership roles in your company, is a representative, an ambassador of your company's brand. But what happens if their brand isn't intact? What if their brand is out of alignment with the values of your company? That's why each person having their own unique value proposition that aligns with the company values and mission is where success happens. So empower your teams, whether they're front lines or back office. Empower them to know who they are, what they stand for, and how they will advocate and represent the company brand as they go into external audience conversations. Your brand as a company is so valuable to you. And the brand of those individuals who work for you is important to them and to you. Align the both and watch success happen.